Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add a phone number to your account on Yahoo Mail. So let's dive into it. So guys, head over to Yahoo Mail, log into your account of course, and what you want to do is click, or to be more precise, you hover your mouse over the profile icon in the top right corner and select account info from that drop down menu. That will allow you to access your account settings. Now in some cases Yahoo Mail may ask you to verify that it's really you by sending you a one-time verification code. So if Yahoo Mail asks you to do that, head over to your associated email inbox, like for example your Gmail inbox, copy the verification code and enter it here if needed. So once you're inside your account settings, guys, head over to the security section, and here simply scroll down till you get to that section here, recovery phone number, and click on add phone number here to submit your phone number here on that window with correct country code. Click on next here, and finally and eventually Yahoo Mail will send you a confirmation code that will be needed to verify that it's really you. And once it's done, the given phone number will be associated to your account on Yahoo Mail, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.